Hey Mac users, I wanted to talk a little bit about some of these keyboard shortcuts that I use in the Excel Bootcamp videos and other places that don't transfer over to the Mac quite as well. The first one is the F2 button. So on the PC version of Excel, F2 buttons will allow you to get into the cell and see what's going on. So if I hit F2, it'll just open up the cell. You can also sort of toggle back and forth between being able to use your arrow keys in a formula to point at something. See, so I'm just using my arrow keys by hitting F2. So again, the problem is that F2 is not keyed right. So in a minute, I'm going to show you how to rekey your Mac if this is what I do. If you don't want to rekey your Mac, the proper way to do this actually is Command U. Nope, that's underlined. Whoa, sorry. It's Control U, not Command U. Control U. Control U, I don't know how you're going to remember that, but Control U is the same as F2. It'll allow you to open up the cell. The other one that doesn't transfer well, there's more than one, but the one I can think of right now is the F4 button. So the F4 button allows you to put absolute values around a specific cell. So again, that does not work with the Excel version. So the alternative is Control T. Nope. Command T. It's Command T. So I don't even remember these things. Command T will let you do the same thing. Scroll around different things. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it, which I would highly recommend, is to actually rekey just specific parts of it when you're into Excel. Let me show you how that's the easiest way to do that. So I found this little utility called Key Remap. Uh-oh, my phone's ringing. Pause. Okay, I'm back. So you can use this Key Remap for Macbook. So Google all that, Key Remap for Macbook. And this is just free software. It's freeware. And it does a ton of things. You can remap just about any keystroke on the Mac. I only use it for this one Excel thing, but it apparently has tons of other capabilities. So once you have that installed, it just looks like this. Sorry. It looks like this, and you can go look in this a little bit if you want, but there's tons of things you can do in here. The easiest way, though, is just type in the little search thing once it's installed, Excel, and then it has specific enable just for Excel. It allows you to change the F2 to edit a cell. So usually it's Control U. Just check this little box that says change F2 to Control U. So now the F2 button will work just like it will on a PC. And then down here's the other one. I change F4 to repeat, so change F4 to Command T. So this one you might come in handy a little later too, but this is the only two that we kind of talk about in the Excel Bootcamp. So then that's easy. So once you get that going, then you're good, right? So then when you're back into in Excel, you can just hit F2 and you're fine. Or you can hit F2, then hit F4, right? And F4 will put the absolute value signs around things. So that's an easy way to do it. All right, enjoy.